Welcome to the RCA 3-device remote control demo. Universal remote controls are a perfect way to replace or consolidate your original device remote controls. For this video, we'll use an RCA 3-device remote control. But the same basic setup instructions will apply to the following models of RCA Universal remote controls. Now, let's learn how to set up your remote. The first step in setting up your remote is installing the batteries. Your remote requires two new AA alkaline batteries. To install the batteries, remove the battery cover from the back of the remote. Match the ends of the batteries to the plus and minus marks inside the battery case. Then, insert the batteries. Push the battery cover back into place. Now, you are ready to program your remote to control your components. There are 4 programming options: direct code entry, auto code search, brand code search, and manual code search. Direct code entry lets you enter a code from the accompanying code list for your brand of device. Let's set up the remote to control a TV. Step 1. Make sure your TV is on. Step 2. The next step is to find the code for your TV in the code list. Codes are listed by device type and brand name. Since we have a Panasonic TV, we need to go to the Panasonic brand under TV and locate our codes. Step 3. Press and hold the TV device key on the RCA remote. While you are holding down the device key, use your other hand to enter the first 5-digit code for your brand in the code list. Note that the on-off key turns off after the first digit. Step 4. When you've finished entering the 5-digit code, keep holding down the device key and look at the on-off key. If the on-off key is on, the remote has accepted the code you entered. If the on-off key blinks 4 times and turns off, you have either entered a code number that is not in the code lists or missed a step in the code entry procedure. You'll need to repeat steps 2 through 4 to enter the correct code. Step 5. Now aim the remote at the TV and press power. If the TV doesn't turn off, you'll need to try a different code. So repeat steps 2 through 5 again and try the next code in the code list until you find the right code. When the TV turns off, that means you found the right code for the TV.